It's November 11th, 2018. Right there you can see a sundog. And this is just gonna be a quick update of the garden. You can see I kind of clean up the garden. I sweep up all the leaves on the floor, and all the bulbs are looking the same. I watered them this week to initiate the growth. And mulberry, lily of the valley, blueberry, all the leaves are gone now, most of the leaves. And here we have some other bulb plants. You can see the grape hyacinth is actually sprouting, some of them at least. And the daffodil looks pretty much the same, like other bulbs. And the wildflower pot is still flowering. You can see some baby blue eye flowers and some sweet aslam. This guy looks pretty much the same. And let's take a look at the strawberry. Yeah, just turning red. The leaves are turning red, and yeah, the runners are still here. Yeah. And as you can see, I cleaned up the asparagus pot and the rhubarb. Calla lily, I cleaned it up a little bit too, and I also found this seed pod from the calla lily. Artichoke, saffron's not flowering anymore, and the dahlia is right here, dying back slowly. Grape, and just some other plants. I cleaned up the peony as well. But yeah, there's not too much change. As for the indoor garden, lots of things looks pretty much the same. The prayer plant specifically, I cleaned it up a little bit. Some of the older vines are dying back, but the end of the vines, as you can see, are sending out lots of roots. Seems like it still wants to survive. So this one I cut it off, and I'm gonna put it in the water for it to root a little bit and transplant it into a new pot. You can see some of the vines are dying back. Those are the vines that's probably older than 2 years. And yeah, the Hoya plant, as you can see, this vine is getting very long. And also I bought some new plants, some succulents. I decided to try the string of pearls again, and this is called the frizzle sizzle, I think. It's a bulb plant. The leaves are pretty cool. And I also got this stone plant thing. And they actually sent me some free succulent cuttings, which are these 3 guys over here. And this is what I did. I potted them in vermiculite, basically. Hopefully they'll root soon. And I repotted the frizzle sizzle into this pot with vermiculite as well. And this guy, I also potted it into vermiculite. And yeah, all of the other plants looks pretty much the same. They need water. It's been 2 weeks. Yeah, everything looks pretty much the same. There's not too much change.